name is Randy Vallente, and I am the newest Huion Evangelist. And today, I'm going to show you one of the latest models of Huion, the Huion Kamvas 22 Plus. I am with Galino, one of the Huion Evangelists, to help me unbox this latest model.
Thank you, Randy. So we have here our newest model. This is the box of Kamvas 22 Plus tablet or graphic tablet, display tablet. This is the front of the box. As you can see, it's beautifully designed. We also have the features on the other side, on this side, which also you can read like the compatibility, the features is RGB features, like we have 140% sRGB here. We have like a full laminated screen and a lot of things. And also at the back.
So John, let's unbox this baby.
Let's go! I'm excited.
Okay.
Okay, so how do we open this one? I guess we have to pull this lock here. Yep. There you go.
Okay.
And okay, so
be careful with this.
yes, we have to pull this thing out from the box. There you go.
Wow.
It's a huge tablet.
Okay, so what's this?
This one is, I think this is the
stand?
The stand, yes.
Okay.
It is the stand.
And what's this?
Let us show this stand to the camera. So here we go. I guess this is a aluminum stand. It's very sturdy.
So let's put it.
Yep. Let's put it there. Okay.
This is the.
This is the gloves. Where we can see the Huion and the manual and
This is the
cloth.
manual.
Yeah, cleaning cloth for the
Okay.
screen. Yeah.
Let's put it here. And then
And let's open this one. There you go.
what's this one?
This is we have some few
The wires.
Yep.
And the cables.
Open this up.
Oh. Okay. So these are the wires, the cables, and this is the pen.
Yeah, this is the pen. So let's open up this box so we can see the pen inside. Okay. There you go. This is the pen.
Oh, nice.
Very nice. And we also have the stand for the pen.
The pen.
Yeah, the stand. And as far as I know, if you want to replace the nibs of your pen, we have extra nibs here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So
That's nice.
we have like eight
Okay. Wow.
extra nibs here. So if you have a very heavy hand and you tend to, replace your pens
The nib,
or
yeah.
the nibs,
Okay.
well, it's easy to replace. Okay, so let's put it.
So these are the
these
cables.
guys here. Yeah, those are the cables.
And what's this?
I guess these are
For the screw?
the Allen, the Allen
Okay.
wrench for the screw. If you want to attach the stand to the screen. And
There's an extra
those are the
screw
X.
here.
Yep. This one is the USB-C cable, I think, and this one is going to the Android phone. If you want to,
Oh, okay.
if you want to connect your tablet to the phone. So, okay, let's put this on here, and
So let's see the main,
Yeah.
the main body.
the main body.
The Kamvas. Oh, wow.
Screen. Wow, this is huge. It's very big. So let's open this up. So
This is the screen of the Kamvas 22.
yes. So we can, I guess, open this up to check out. The display screen. Okay. It's very big. Oh, I love to draw on this big screen. Okay, so this is the whole materials or the components of the Huion Kamvas 22 Plus. So these are the things that we can see inside the box. The screen, the tablet screen. These are the stands, the cables, the pens, and manuals and gloves and some cleaning cloths. So these are the things that you can see if you are going to buy the newest Kamvas 22 Plus from Huion. So what can you say about this, Randy?
Yeah, it's really beautiful, and I can't wait to test it.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Me too. So for those who are artists and aspiring artists, professionals and students, this is one of the best tablet that you can see on the market right now, and go grab one or get someone. Buy from our website or from your nearest Huion retailers.
Okay.
So, ready?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So, thank you for having us, and bye till next time.